August 2008. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, it is really an honor done to the state that the President and the Prime Minister have paid visits to many parts of the state. I am sure that their personal inspection of the various areas affected by famine and the sufferings of the people will make them do their best for our state as early as possible. Regarding agriculture, the government must bestow their best attention on agriculture. I am sorry to state that the aid given to the riots at present is very poor, and I should say that it is nothing at all. As a matter of fact, the seasonal conditions are very bad throughout the state and especially in my district. As we know, we have been having continuous drought for the last 6 or 7 years, with the result that the economic condition of the people is going from bad to worse. Even in some places where there was rainfall, the production is very poor, and in addition to that, there has been pest attack. As a result, the riots have been disappointed with the poor yield, and this has not been denied by even the officials with whom I came into contact recently. It is surprising that the government at this juncture have all of a sudden announced a change in the policy of remission of land revenue. In fact, their new order states that the farmers who pay a kist of rupees 10 or more as well as income tax access are not entitled to any remission of land revenue. By this order, the very principle of land revenue remission has been lost. On account of this, the majority of the rural middle class agriculturists will be affected. In this connection, I would like to point out that the assumption of the government that the big landlords are rich people and that they will be able to pay the kist is not correct. It will be cruel if the remission is not given, at least in cases where there has been total destruction by flood, drought, or cyclone. I am sure the government will examine the question in detail. At least a committee may be appointed to go into this question fully so that the government may revise their policy as early as possible. As regards power development, the progress so far made is inadequate, and much more so with regard to my district. In fact, many irrigation projects which were already investigated have not been taken up or have been slowed down, probably due to want of funds. I request that at least the works that have been investigated may be taken up so that the food problem may be solved. There is no doubt that the central government must also be approached for financial aid. More community projects should be started wherever people want them. As it is, the rural welfare scheme is very ineffective, and I would suggest that it may be combined with the community project centers. So far as public health is concerned, I feel that larger amount should be spent. It will be of great benefit if more and more dispensaries are opened in rural areas. I would request the government to consider the question of granting more pay to rural medical practitioners so that it may be an incentive for them to go to the villages and settle down there. Finally, I would plead that top priority should be given to the supply of drinking water in the rural areas. I think that every village should be given at least one well. Letter from Hari and Company Limited, Mumbai. To Thiru Balu Ram Kalani, Pune. Dear Sirs, We are in receipt of your letter of the 10th October and we are sorry to learn that the rosewood disc ordered by you as birthday present for your daughter was so badly damaged that you refused to take delivery of it. As the desk was perfectly prepared and booked at railway risk with the Central Railway, we presume that it must have been damaged in transit. Though we do not have any responsibility after the railway accepted it, we realize how much interest you have in this beautiful gift to your daughter. We are therefore sending you today by express delivery through Patel Roadways Limited another desk exactly like the one ordered by you. You may kindly contact the official of Patel Roadways Limited in your town and they will immediately deliver the desk to you so that you may have it not later than your daughter's birthday. In this connection, we wish to inform you that you need not bother about the damaged disc. We shall prefer a claim with the railways. We take this opportunity to thank you for writing to us promptly in this regard and we would like to assure you that it is our earnest desire that you receive the disc in perfect condition and in good time for the occasion so that you may be happy. Yours faithfully, Stop.